It's just me and my plants. Sometimes I water them. Sometimes I walk around the yard and show my daughter them. It's just me and my plants. I'm into gardening. They call me soft, but all these bars I still go hard in them. It's just me and my plants. Time for a new pot. Fill it with well-draining soil, never open.
Welcome to Garden Talk. A little sweaty.
Yard. Well, I was out in the front yard. That's something else to tell you about. Work with the shade. Watch where your sun's coming up. Watch where your sun's going down. So it comes up over here. So I worked in the front yard this morning. It's going down over there. So I'm on the shade for the most part in the afternoon. So work with your sun because, well, Arizona, it's hot. You don't want to be in that sun. Even when it's cool outside, it can be hot as heck in that sun. Arizona sun is something else. Like it says full sun. They're not talking about Arizona sun. Anyway, I'm in the backyard getting some planting areas ready, like for...
What are we throwing out? Some sugar pie pumpkin. These are left over from the old microgreen business. I actually started growing cantaloupe microgreens, and I tested a lot of microgreens. And this is one of the bad ones. And I tried it did not work, so we're using it as just regular cantaloupe. It's fine. Microgreens, there's a certain one, and I sold the business, so I can't tell you which one it is. I don't know if I can or not. Do I even remember? That was it. That's the strain or whatever to get for microgreens. They're tasty, but the other ones are not. We tried watermelons. I tried all kinds of different things to grow as microgreens, so that one worked. So we're going to be planting that, some sunflower, and spaghetti squash, and wax beans. That's about it in that area. Maybe some small broccolis or something like that. That's it. We're wanting to sell the property, and I know, pumpkins, well, you won't be here for them. Oh well, what if I don't sell? Then I've got pumpkins. And if I do sell, well, they've got pumpkins. Who cares? Let me show you what we've got. You don't have to be fancy. This was just a backyard. So I've just dug the holes, the trenches. I've kind of softened it up a little bit below it. That's it. Not a lot of prep work and messing with the dirt a lot. So it's kind of a no-till, but a little bit of a till. Because this is nasty dirt back here. There's not anything grown in it for a while except weeds. So we're just going to give it a shot and see if anything will grow. Hopefully it will. Got dry hands for grabbing your seeds. What I did was I took a picture from up there where you guys are, and I can, on that picture, label what I put where. So that's the best thing to do. The easiest way to do it is take a picture and label it to keep where you plant what. There we go. Now we're going to cover it up. So that's it. I'm going to water this some more and leave you guys to it. Not a lot of prep work. Cut the row, plant the seeds, cover the seeds, water the seeds. Keep watering the seeds. Maybe fertilize eventually. With this dirt, I will. There you go. Thanks for growing with me.